Welcome to Calcutta Races Season 2020-2021 Winter Meeting, 3rd day, Wednesday, 13th of January 2021 Race Preview. Race number 1, the Burning Fire Plate for maiden horses, 3 years old only, about 1100 meters. We're looking at horse number 1, Anne's Boy. Anne's Boy finished 7th in his first start in race number 37 over a distance of 1200 meters. He settled well but did not show any improvement in the concluding stages of the race. Anne's Boy is now running over a distance of 1100 meters.
Next up we have Dundee Satyagraha. Finished 4th in its first start in race number 49, the Indian Produce Stakes, over a distance of 1200 meters. The colt settled well and finished a good 4th. Though that was a good set of youngsters finished ahead of him. Now it's running in a relatively weaker bunch. Number 3 we have Mother's Love, finished 4th in its first start over a distance of 1100 meters. It finished about 9 lengths behind Amazing Dream. Amazing Dream finished almost a distance behind Dundee Satyagraha in its second start. Mother's Love is now being ridden by Dashrath Singh.
Race number 2, the Aero Native Handicap for horses rated 1 to 26, about 1100 meters.
Number 1 we have Huntsman. We also have number 8, The Last Judgment. Both ran in race number 51 over a distance of 1400 meters. Where Huntsman held the lead till the 300 meters but could not finish well in the concluding stages. The Last Judgment in the hands of P.S. Chauhan did not make much of a difference, who finished 6th. Number 2 we have Parnassus. Ran in race number 84 over a distance of 1100 meters last season. It is running almost after a year. It has had only one start till date, where we see him finishing 9th out of 10 runners. Parnassus will now be running with tongue strap and basket bit on.
Next we have horse number 3, Spring Valley. Spring Valley has had 2 starts this season. Her last start was in race number 38 over a distance of 1200 meters. Where she finished 10th. There was a bit of inconveniencing in the start of the race. Spring Valley is now ridden by stable apprentice Sujit Kumar Paswan. Next we're looking at horse number 4, Stelvio Pass. Ran in race number 16 over a distance of 1100 meters, where it finished 4th to Abelson, almost a distance behind. Stelvio Pass took on the running and was well positioned till the bend but could not do much in the concluding stages of the race. Western India champion jockey A. Sandesh has now been declared to ride this time.
Number 5 we have Scarlet Witch. Ran in race number 14 over a distance of 1200 meters, where it finished 6th. She was trapped wide for the major part of the race. Scarlet Witch now runs in open company with apprentice Rupal Singh. Next up we have number 6 Miss Julie, late Davina Donatella, and number 7 Optimum. Both ran in race number 57 over the distance of 1200 meters, where Optimum finished 2.5 lengths ahead of Miss Julie. They both come from the same stable of trainer Vikas Jaiswal. Optimum had his only win in the last season, now has got a drop of 1.5 kilos after his last run. Miss Julie is ridden by Mohammad Imran and Optimum is ridden by Asghar.
Race number 3, the Long Tom Handicap for horses rated 21 to 46, about 1200 meters.
Number 1 we have Manzoni, multi-dimensional out of 5 Satin. The gelding has had 2 starts this season, finishing 4th in both occasions. His last start was in race number 32 over a distance of 1400 meters, where it was 7th till the bend and finally finished 4th. almost 9 lengths behind the winner Big Star.
Next, we're looking at horse number 3, Treasure Hunt, horse number 5, Mr. Gucci, and horse number 9, Iconia. All of them ran in race number 55 over a distance of 1100 meters. Treasure Hunt came up with an eye-catching run and finished second to Krisha's Choice by about 2.5 lengths. Iconia finished 9th and Mr. Gucci finished 12th. Both of them got a drop of 2 kilos after that race. Mr. Gucci will now run without blinkers.
Next we have number 4, Script. What's the script out of Shenlika? Script ran in race number 17 where it finished 3rd to Dawnish, finishing about 4 lengths behind. Script was crammed for room in the concluding stages but managed to finish well in the hands of jockey Dashrath Singh. Next up we have number 6, Mystic Star, and number 12, Berluti. Both ran in race number 25 over a distance of 1100 meters. Mystic Star, half-brother to Top Notch, who came on to win the race very impressively in a blanket finish. Mystic Star will be ridden by jockey Neeraj Rawal. Berluti has had 3 starts this season as well as in his career where it placed twice. Here we see him finishing 10th, almost 7 lengths behind the winner. Has got a drop of 1.5 kilos after that run.
Next, we're looking at horse number 7, San Remo. San Remo last raced in race number 38 over a distance of 1200 meters. He finished 6 lengths behind Lackmoss, coming in second place. San Remo has placed in his last 5 starts, always finding a better one.
Number 8, we have Exile. Exile has had 2 starts this season. She finished 10th in her last start out of 11 runners over a distance of 1400 meters. She has got a drop of 2 kilos after that run. Exile is a winner of longer trips. Next we have number 10, Spiritual, the Deccan Challenger, running for the first time in Kolkata after a long layoff of almost a year now. She finished 4th in her last start in Hyderabad. Apprentice P. Tejeshwar has been declared to ride. Number 11, Little Finger, Planetaire out of Lightning Speed. She finished 2nd in her last start to Around the World in race number 36. The filly was running for the first time in her career, where she took on the running and was well home but could not hold on to her lead. Number 13, we have Gold Ray, who has had yet another disappointing run, where he finished 8th in his last start in race number 47 over a distance of 1600 meters.
Race number 4, the Icelandic handicap for horses rated 21 to 46, about 1400 meters. Horse number 1, Communique. Communique has had 2 starts this season. He finished last in his last start in race number 32 over a distance of 1400 meters. The blinkers have been taken off and running in the lower set this time, and further claiming a 2 kilo allowance with apprentice P. Tejeshwar has been declared to ride. Next, we're looking at horse number 2, Viraggio, horse number 3, Rare Bird, and horse number 14, Romantic Zeal. All raced in race number 42, where Viraggio came on to take over the running, passing the distance post very briefly, and was beaten to second place by Daring Heart by 4 lengths. Rare Bird was seen finishing on in the concluding stages after being on the wrong end of the field. Romantic Zeal was at the lead of the field, started to fade out and finished last. Romantic Zeal has changed stables to trainer Shafiq Khan. Next, we're looking at horse number 4, Sirona, and horse number 12, Zodiac Prince. Both them ran in race number 38. Sirona finished 4th to the runaway winner Lackmos. Sirona was inconvenienced in her last start, which may have had a bearing. Zodiac Prince was prominent in his last start till the bend and faded out thereafter. Next, we're looking at horse number 5, Star of Hollywood. Star of Hollywood's last outing, pillar to post winner in race number 22 over the same distance. He has got a penalty of 7 kilos after that win. Star of Hollywood is now ridden by apprentice Rupal Singh, who claims an allowance of 2 kilos. Next, we're looking at horse number 6, Estrella Star, and horse number 13, Ashwamegh. Estrella Star, flashy chestnut colt who finished a short head second to Anika in his only start, where he went down at the post and now runs with jockey Neeraj Rawal. Ashwamegh got withdrawn in his last start, had earlier finished 4th in race number 23, where Estrella Star was the runner-up. Next, we're looking at horse number 7, Port of Spain. Port of Spain has had only one start, where she finished behind Phoenicia Mist. Now running after almost 11 months, and Port of Spain will be ridden by jockey Nikhil Naidu. We're looking at horse number 8, Tomorrow Forever. Tomorrow Forever has finished 2nd in his last start to Mystic Wonder, had earlier finished 2nd to Star of Hollywood as well. Tomorrow Forever has gone up by 2 kilos after its last start. Next, we're looking at horse number 9, Adonica, who last raced in race number 13 over 1400 meters. Adonica is Setchfield out of Another Star, had the misfortune of the saddle shifting backwards and finished 2nd to Cliffhanger. Cliffhanger has come out and won again subsequently. Horse number 10, People's Pride. People's Pride has had 2 starts this season. In his first start, he finished 2nd to Astral Star, and in his last start in race number 25, he finished 6th to Mystic Star, where 3 lengths separated the first 6 horses. People's Pride will now be ridden by jockey Dashrath Singh. We have horse number 11, Om Shanti. Om Shanti has had 2 starts. She finished 2nd in her last start to Sirona by 2.5 lengths, is well placed this time on that run, and is now ridden by stable jockey Hindu Singh. Race number 5, the exclusive Virtue handicap for horses rated 41 to 66, about 1600 meters.
First up, we have Louboutin, finished 6th in his last outing over 1400 meters to Moskova. Had a bad start where it played up and affected the start. The mare has finished 2nd twice this season over 1400 meters, now running over 1600 meters for the first time this season. Next up, we have number 2, Kimaya, number 3, Simply Soaring, and number 4, Excelsior. All 3 ran in race number 40 over a distance of 1600 meters, where Excelsior came from behind and won the race easily, beating Big Star and Kimaya. Kimaya came 3rd, and Simply Soaring finished 5th out of 6 runners, even having run after almost 9 months. Number 5, we have Tudor Hall, ran in race number 34 in Bombay over a distance of 1600 meters, where it finished 4th in a blanket finish. Tudor Hall will be ridden by jockey A. Sandesh.
Race number 6, the Adelita Handicap for horses rated 61 to 86, about 2400 meters.
Number 1, we have Inca, ran in the Army Cup over a distance of 2000 meters, led the field till the bend and eventually won the race on objection. An excess of 400 meters won't be a problem for the gelding. We also have Rosina, who finished third to Inca, 3/4 lengths behind in that same race. Rosina is better placed this time. We also have Raksharki, who finished last in the same race, close to 8 lengths behind Inca. Raksharki will now be ridden by jockey Dashrath Singh. Number 3, we have Silver Bracelet, ran last in the Oaks, where it finished 4th to Zoya, approximately 4 lengths behind. Silver Bracelet could not find an opening in the inside, but was seen finishing on. Let's see how she does in the hands of Hindu Singh. Number 4, Midnight Phantom, ran a handicap race over 2000 meters where it finished 4th out of 5 horses. It was there with the field till the last 200 meters but faded out in the concluding stages.
With questions flowing in for hashtag AskThePro here at the Royal Calcutta Turf Club, we have managed to answer almost all your questions. For any more answers from our side, do send in your questions to the given WhatsApp number or log on to our channel, the Royal Calcutta Turf Club, and subscribe. Thank you.